Happy Halloween, designers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really fun project, recreating the dorm room from the hit series Wednesday. The room is such a cool mix of two extremes, Wednesday's gothic minimalism and Enid's colorful chaos. Before we dive in, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to click that little button that looks like Thing. It would mean a lot to him. Alright, and without further ado, here's the Wednesday dorm room. The first thing we're gonna do is recreate the size and shape of the dorm room. If your space has a more complex layout like this one, you can easily add extra corners to match the exact shape you're going for. If you've seen the show, the room is covered in wood from floor to ceiling. Thankfully, Planner 5D has so many wood textures to choose from. You can also adjust the scale and rotation of any texture for even more customization. The room features a pitched ceiling, so to get that look, we'll lower the wall height here and add the roof on last. One of my favorite features in Planner 5D is how easy it is to bring in your own assets. You can upload an image and the software automatically converts it into a custom 3D model, making it simple to personalize your project. In this example, we're adding a photo of the iconic window that divides their room. Once your image is uploaded, you can fine-tune the material, size, and rotation until it looks just right. Their room also includes exposed beams, so we'll recreate those using the Magic Cube. You can create almost anything with the Magic Cube. It's seriously one of the most versatile tools in Planner 5D. For even spacing, make sure to turn on Object Distance under Dimensions in the Settings tab. Now that the room's built, it's all about the decor. Planner 5D has a huge library of textures and patterns, so designing Enid's side of the room, colorful, bright, and a little chaotic, was so much fun. Now onto Wednesday's half of the room. Her taste is pretty minimal, so her side came together much faster. Wednesday's the type to only bring the essentials: a desk, a couple of chairs, and of course, her cello. I'll use the Import 3D Models feature once again to upload her typewriter and, of course, everyone's favorite character, Thing. Once all the decor is in place, we'll wrap things up by adding the roof, customized with the same wood texture that we used on the walls for a nice, cohesive finish. Duplicate the roof 2 more times to fully enclose the space and use the triangular roofing pieces to fill in the gaps. Now let's take a look at the finished project using 4K renderings. Planner 5D's 4K renders let you view your design with ultra-realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows, so you can see every surface, texture, and detail exactly as it would appear in real life. If you want to explore the room as if you're actually inside it, use the Panoramic view. This maintains the same 4K resolution and lets you look around the entire space, from floor to ceiling, in a full 360 degrees. So that's our take on the Wednesday dorm room. Gloomy meets glitter, and somehow it works. If you want to try building this set yourself, you can always sign up for the free pro trial where you'll have access to all of the tools you need. Let us know in the comments which iconic sets you would like to see next, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.